In today's workplace, if you're not an executive or performing manual labor, you're probably relegated to the belly of an office building for most of the day. No windows in sight. Unfortunately, quick dashes to grab lunch aren't nearly enough to fulfill the 20 minutes of sunlight recommended by doctors to prevent fatigue and a host of health problems. So when I'm at work, I try to take my lunch break either outside or in any room with large windows I can sneak away to. When working from home, I schedule an outdoor break every now and then, both to clear my head and to recharge, so that I can finish the rest of my tasks without falling apart. However, when I'm ultra busy and even these brief breaks are impossible after first consulting with my physician, I invest in a reputable brand of vitamin D. Often 50,000 IU of vitamin D taken one day a week make the difference between slowly running down physically and mentally, and being able to face the week and get all my tasks done with more energy, vitality, and an overall better quality of life. To be clear, there's truly no substitute for actual sunlight. However, until I'm able to commit to those daily doses of solar-soaking time, I've found that a well-respected vitamin D supplement can be the next best thing.